This time we have given line and y-intercept. We're supposed to find the line which is perpendicular to this one and will pass by y-intercept of 6. Anytime we talk about y-intercept 6, we talk about the point which has coordinates x is equal 0 and y is equal 6. So in other words, we have line and point. We're supposed to find the line which will pass this point and is perpendicular to this line. In order to find slope, because we have to find slope first, we're supposed to solve this equation for y. I'm going to move 2x to right side of my equal sign. So I have 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides of this equation by 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out as if y is equal minus 2/3 x plus 10 over 3. The coefficient of my x is my slope. m1 is equal the coefficient of x, which is negative 2/3. So this is my first slope. We're supposed to find the line which is perpendicular to this one. That's why I'm going to use this formula. So I have m1, m2 is equal negative 1. I'm supposed to find the slope m2. In order to do so, I have to divide both sides of the equation by m1. m1 and m1 will cancel out, and I have m2 equals negative 1 over m1, which is equal negative 1 divided by m1, which is equal negative 2/3. Because I have fraction, I have to change division to multiplication, and I'm going to have negative 1 times negative 3 over 2. Negative times negative will give me positive, and I'm going to have 3 over 2 as my m2. So if m2 is equal 3 over 2. Next, I'm supposed to find the equation of the line with this slope and this point. I'm supposed to use point-slope form. I have y minus y1 is equal mx minus x1. This is my x1 and this is my y1. So I have y minus y1 is equal 6 equals m2 in this case 3 over 2 x minus x1, which is equal 0. So I will have y minus 6 is equal 3 over 2. 3 over 2 times x is 3 over 2x. And in order to find y, I have to move negative 6 to the right side of my equation. So if y is equal 3 over 2x plus 6. And this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this one and will pass by the y-intercept of 6. So this is the solution to my problem.